How many proven upper back pain protocols are included with the TrapEAZE technique? The TrapEAZE technique is far from a one-trick pony. If that's all it was, then its founder, Dr. Justin, never would have wasted his time to bring it to the practitioners who need to use it for their desperate upper back pain patients. In order to be able to deal with 99% of the upper back pain scenarios that patients will face, there's 3 different protocols that can be found inside the TrapEAZE technique's highly detailed 88-page clinical treatment manual. The 3 different protocols include an F-bomb protocol with multiple strategies to deal with all kinds of F-bombs that clinicians will face, a spasm protocol to deal with ultra-tight seized-up muscles that can't relax, and a tenderness protocol for those patients with severe tenderness who can't be worked on. Included as part of the tenderness protocol, it's recommended that patients use Pain Away, Dr. Justin's all-natural topical pain relief liquid formula, to stimulate local blood circulation in the areas that need it the most. Pain Away has been responsible for helping patients to recover from severe tenderness where conventional approaches have failed. It serves as an integral part of any patient's upper back pain treatment whose pain is due in part to severe tenderness.